Question number 1. John borrowed 5,000 pesos at 5% annual interest. How much will he pay interest after 3 years? Choices. Is it letter A, 600 pesos, letter B, 700 pesos, letter C, 750 pesos, letter D, 800 pesos? Okay, in order to solve this, we're going to write down the formula of simple interest. We have here simple interest formula. I equals P times R times T. Okay, P here stands for the principal. Okay, the principal amount is 5,000 pesos. R stands for rate times the rate is 5%. So the decimal point of 5% is 0.05 times. Since T here stands for time, so 3 years. So therefore 3. Okay, 5,000 times 0.05 times 3 equals 700 pesos. So therefore the answer is letter C. Next, question number 2. The product of two consecutive integers is 56. What are the numbers? Choices. Is it letter A, 6 and 8, letter B, 7 and 9, letter C, 7 and 8, letter D, 8 and 9. Okay, please comment your answer below.